October, September किसी का भी नहीं
It is October and
है? Okay. So this is
September.
okay. Only the message needs to change for November. That bill is
Okay.
not uploaded as of now. Only the message will be.
Okay.
Information will be uploaded soon. For details, please contact United Club. हाँ, so soon के बाद एक full stop होगा और F will be capital F.
Okay, sir.
So this Mukesh, I think this is the USP of this online. ये अगर online हो जाता है, and if it is available for all members, it will bring a lot of relief to the office transaction. है ना?
It will certainly. ठीक है, so this is okay. We can move next.
Profile change.
ठीक है, let's go one by one.
Previously, this was giving dump. I think the Roshan has handled the error. We can check it out.
Okay. So new mobile number, new email ID for all the dependents can be seen here.
Yes, sir. Here,
But there is a catch here. I think it could have been made simpler. Example, I have just changed my photograph. Okay. And submitted the request. Now this needs to be approved by the someone in the club. Till then,
I'm using my own authorization to do it. It should be self-approved. It should not be authorized by somebody.
I think one level of authorization might be required. I'll give you the scenario.
Mail will go to
created your account. Okay. And then I change your cell number to my cell number or something of that sort.
But Arun, see, that is the whole purpose of having an authenticated user ID and password. So let's say even when you do it on Amazon and Flipkart, there is no separate authorization. You need to maintain the confidentiality of this. And anyways, if you look at it at an overall level, you are using this portal for largely for making payments, or you can at best access information about me, but you cannot place orders.
Today,
yes. And secondly, what authorization will I do? Let's say at the office, at a backend, unless the person comes in physically and gives me a written request, there is no proper authorization which I'll be giving to people.
True, but some filters like IT world में ना Mukesh, lot of hanky panky. Suppose I replace your photograph with an undesirable person's photograph. Okay. So that the club's name takes a hit, while it might not have any impact on transactions. That's why I'm saying. So unnecessary nuisance हो जाएगा. So someone like Kaushal is suppose approving all these things. So देख सकते हैं ना, ज्योति प्रकाश के फोटो की जगह someone लगा दिया है सनी लियोन का फोटो. So at least he'll not approve that.
So maybe rather than approving, if we can only have an information, because approving becomes another transaction without enough value addition. If this is your concern, perhaps an auto trigger mail on the updated information can be sent on an email ID for information, so that your point also gets addressed.
Correct.
So in case Kaushal finds that out, he can immediately replace or he can take that action.
So maybe
mail will go, sir. Whoever the admin is there, sir, admin and whatever this old mail ID, new mail ID is there, mail it will go to them first, to that person. So they will know that a request came, so they can approve the request or reject.
Yeah. So what we were saying now, Arun, please carry on.
Yeah. No, I was just summarizing. I thought Shiva, he should clearly understand. You can go ahead.
Yeah. So Shiva, instead of approving required, you can simply send a trigger to the admin email ID, a mail about the change which has happened.
Okay, sir. It is going, sir, mail to the admin.
मेल जा रहा है ना, so approval आप अलग से मत करिए फिर. instead of a message giving your request has been submitted, it should give a message that the change has been effected.
At that time we have to affect the changes.
Yeah.
Okay. So what if someone got to know the password and they change the password? I not change the password or mail ID or something.
So we are assuming people will maintain their own confidentiality, and anyways, it will not lead to any transactions, any bogus transactions. And normally, since it is accessible only to club members, no, they also understand the repercussions of doing any mischief, and because mail is going to people, so it can easily be caught by somebody. Because
Yeah.
I don't want to put in unnecessary transaction without having any value addition to it.
Right. And the larger part being the person who's approving, actually, he will not know, suppose photograph of some family members of Jyoti Prakash is changed. He will not know whether it is genuine or not genuine. So basically, he is mechanically only approving it.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
then I will talk this with Roshan sir also. I will note the point.
So
I don't think it is required for us.
yeah. With Tata Steel, what happened, Mukesh? On a related note, one of a very senior executives, his mail was changed to 420 at tatasteel.com.
Oh. Achha.
Top shot.
Achha. Oh.
So while in physical world such mischief do not take place, but when people are always exploring to do mischief online.
That's right.
In नाम लिखने से, an example, if I typed Mukesh Agarwal, pressed enter, automatic 420 हो जा रहा था.
Somebody would have done it.
Across the organization.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's proceed. So here it's not giving dump anymore. Shiva, you have done the error handling here.
Yes, sir. It is changing, sir. I mean, request is going. Sir.
Okay. And choose file. Is there a restriction on the size, or I can upload any size file? Can you try uploading a PDF?
PDF.
Yeah. Does it check that only JPG?
Yes, it is not accepted in all files.
So you try uploading a PDF.
Okay, restriction. Image restriction.
The file got selected here, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
So it is not restricting. I can upload any file.
Yes, sir.
Put these minimum checks, Shiva. These shouldn't be pointed out in an application testing.
Okay. Yes, we will put that. We will accept only image.
These minimum hygiene checks. If it is a photography field, then I can only enter JPG or PNG or something. If it is a mobile number, then I should only be able to enter a numeric field. Email ID hai, then at the rate should be there. Basic programming in these field checks.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. We will do that.
Okay. So next section then.
Address change.
So here, Mukesh, will we like to see address proof, or we like to allow members to change the way we are doing the profile change?
I think we can allow people to change the way they want. Because anyways, when they come to club and do it, we don't seek any address proof.
Okay. So it's just a replication of the physical process.
Yes, yes.
So Shiva, I hope you have noted this also.
So same like profile change.
Have we asked them to upload any proof?
No, sir.
No.
They will put address I mean, they will enter their address and they will put a request to update. So same like profile change, the admin have to come and he have to approve that.
So let's follow the same thing. It should be auto approved over here.
Okay, okay.
reprint कार्ड क्या है?
Acha, so this is a request for generating the RFID card.
RFID card?
Okay.
I think this is smart card, I think.
Okay.
No, but what is the future action to this? Has that been built in? So Sumit, what happens next once someone sends a request to reprint the card?
Sir, if we receive such a request, we should get a mail about that, and we will then charge to members some 200 rupees regarding the new card.
So is that module in place? I think this module is not in place. So Siva, what happens when someone requests to update? Does the mail go with the complete detail?
Yes, sir. The mail will go to that admin mail. So there they will approve or whatever they want to do, they can do. Or reject, they can do. I mean, they have to proceed after that, what they
So
want.
can you show this? Can you try this? Because you have access to the admin portal also, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
Show this workflow.
Shall I send request? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Shiva.
Shall I mean request?
Yes, request.
Go. Shall I mean, you want to go next one or shall I log in admin and you want to check in that?
No, so you open an incognito window and open the admin portal. We want to close this. What happens after this? So open an incognito window. Same you will not be able to open because you already signed in, I think. Yeah.
It's not activated.
Yes, so that is the doubt I had. That module is not built completely. So you
No,
need
you have to activate here.
correct. So you make a note of that. Reprint card is
No.
not activated.
For admin.
Actually,
कौशल,
Siva, we have been told to remove that option, right?
Next time इतना comprehensive testing नहीं करेंगे. So एक बार में हम लोग को फिर we will look at the compliance of only these points.
You know, Roshan sir is saying that what sir?
No, we have been told to remove this point, reprint card option, right?
Reprint.
Reprint card option has to be removed.
Remove.
That's what
Okay.
we have been told.
कौशल आप बोले थे क्या? Reprint card option.
Reprint card. I do not remember exactly, sir. उसमें
रोशन जी,
reprint card का
हाँ sir.
this is for cash card or this is RFID?
कार्ड रिलेटेड आप सारा चीज बोले थे हटा देने के लिए.
नहीं दोनों
Uh,
अलग अलग
नहीं,
both is same only, no, sir.
नहीं दोनों देखिए
Both is same only, sir. That is the operation.
रोशन जी क्या है ना देखिए कार्ड इज नॉट गेटिंग रिमूव ना कार्ड
yes,
इज इंक्रीज हो रहा है बिकॉज कार्ड पे तो हम बिलिंग वगैरह सब कर ही रहे हैं advance option of recharging the card has to be removed. That is what we had discussed. Hello.
we will Siva, we will activate that option.
Yes, sir. We have to
Authorization
activate.
option.
Okay, sir.
और इसमें ना authorization approval has to be given once the card gets reprinted. Then once an approval is given, तब क्या जो requester है उसके पास कोई email जाता है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the content of that email?
And don't remember properly, sir. I have to check in there.
तो उसमें check कर लीजिए. It should show कि your request for the reprinting of the card has been approved. Please come to club office and collect the card.
And
Okay.
in case there is a charge, Mukesh, it will be good to point out that also.
Yeah. So there is a charge of rupees 200 per card. So you can also mention a charge of rupees 200.
Okay.
लेकिन क्या है ना अरुण चार्ज मेंशन कर देंगे तो कभी भी हम चार्ज रिवीजन में ना वी विल हैव टू मेंशन दैट मतलब कोडिंग में चेंज करना होगा ऑन द मैसेज
नहीं so here itself we can put in once you submit तो एक pop-up message आएगा कि you will be charged 200 rupees for it. Proceed, okay, cancel.
हाँ वो कर सकते हैं लेकिन लेट्स से टुमारो इफ द चार्ज इज रिवाइज्ड फ्रॉम 200 to 500 then you will have to do the change you have to change the coding of the program.
No, if we are keeping in some this amount like in setup, we can pick up from there. If we
Okay,
are keeping-
parametric है. So
Yes, parametric.
admin should be able to change it. That is what you are saying, right?
Yes, sir. Like in setup, we have to keep something like this.
Okay, so make a note of that point. When someone submits a request, so a message should pop up saying you will be charged XXX amount. Okay, or cancel. And
Okay, sir.
second point, what Mukesh said, that message which goes should include the line. I think Kaushal will give you the exact line that come to the club to collect your card in a week's time or 10 days time, whatever.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है कौशल इनको वो मैसेज बता दीजिएगा कि क्या मैसेज आएगा.
Okay, let's proceed.
Cancellation.
So these two will get removed. No? We are saying there is no approval. So obviously there will be no cancellation.
Yes, sir. If
Yeah,
approval is
This whole menu will be removed.
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Let's go to club services. So here we are showing the address of the various clubs. So this time in the AGM we received some suggestion, na Mukesh, कि letter लेने आना पड़ता है or something of that sort.
हाँ correct.
So we can incorporate here. Someone can download the letter here itself.
Letter नहीं so what happens ना कि when somebody wants to make a booking the person will have to make a request to club. The club sends an email to the concerned club. So if this whole part can be automated that a person puts in a request for an affiliated club through the portal itself and it comes as a request to the administrator clicks on a link and an automatic mail goes to the respective club. Then it will be a very seamless thing.
Yeah, and authorization letter maybe once it is done he can download from here.
So there is no authorization letter which is given. Normally email copy is given to that person.
Okay. So the use of this is significant. Do we need a system or present email is sufficient? क्या volume है इसका question?
कितना वॉल्यूम होगा कौशल इसका?